dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine. That be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98, on top of Go TV cable and Wazobia Max UHF 57. Tuesday, 1st of March 2016. And I go seize this opportunity to say good morning to everybody when they watch us on top of the Chairman television station them, and also happy new month to all of una. And at the Chairman television program, as it is hot, where we're going to discuss all the issues when they affect us inside Obodo, Nigeria. Remember, say we will give you license to chook mouth inside, talk and do anything be you for body, so that those who they lead this country go do the right thing to move this our country forward. My name is Ezogo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well I stay concerning politics matter as it is hot.
A beautiful Tuesday morning to our beautiful viewers where they watch us right now on top of today's edition of that Ogbonge program where they give the political activities where they happen for our Obodo Nigeria as it is hot. Today we'll not go different. We'll also give na event. We go bring them back from what happened, we play out in 2014, so that at least, because I know it's now one very important topic where Nigerians go on do it, go on know as you go take end. Because under this administration, we don't see some action where they play out. I want to say yes, say the government try to address the issue of corruption. Now what we go address, now what we go bring to now today, and then we go open our phone line when that time reach, so that our viewers go feel contribute, so that at least collectively, as I always they talk, collectively we go feel know as we take do it, move this country forward. My name never to change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now Ask Ide Hot.
As soon Nkubi take talk, we don't go waste time. We will go straight into the topic when we don't carry come. I go clear my throat because this one story of what they call Surulere. Yoruba people they call am Surulere. Surulere in the sense say small, now something go happen. But if you not tell this person when they in the eye of this storm say Surulere, he go tell you say no like this particular kind of Surulere business. Make I break them down. March 2014, the person we want to discuss today, Oga Abamoro, he was Minister for Interior. That is to say, he follow among one of the 42 people when we say that they run things inside government for this Obodo, Nigeria. But today, March 1, 2016, if he go tell anybody good morning, he go tell them good morning from Kuje prison. What be this one? Somebody when we say 2 years ago, he be Minister for Interior, and 2 years later, in the inside prison. Make we break them down. The topic we carry come today, now responsibility and accountability. Moro goes to Kuje. Why would they discuss this issue? First and foremost, for this country, we get people when we say all of us as Nigerians go come and vote, may they represent us for inside government. Now, those people who don't vote to represent us, using their powers, they go appoint people when go serve Nigerians, that is to say, in their capacity as maybe minister or special advisor or something like that. But they go they work with people when they for government to move this country forward. And for 2014, for March to be precise, the office of the Minister for Interior, they look finish contact say based on say unemployment plenty for this country, they won't create jobs. That is, they go do recruitment where they go select people when we say go enter inside immigration to serve us for inside this Obodo, Nigeria. But people like say the whole process and the way when they take go about time, Kelek enter inside the matter. Sake of say over 600,000 Nigerians pay over 600 million naira to participate for inside that process because now 1,000 now everybody pay. And at the end of that particular exercise, over 20 Nigerians lose their lives because they talk say stampede. That is to say people they push, people they run, people they match each other when it happen for different parts for inside this Obodo, Nigeria, and plenty people die. And the government at that time and even the National Assembly, they set up committee to look into this particular issue. The committee, the like say then look.
They don't see anything.
We not going hear anything about this particular incident. But under the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari, he don't revisit that particular case. Say the whole process when they arrange that thing, it show abuse of office and the use of power anyhow. And right about now, when they carry Oga Abamoro, when they carry the then permanent secretary, Madam Anastasia, and when they carry one FO, Alabaye Yomi, go inside court, the court can't look there, finish contact, say, this woman, based on say she be nursing mother, she go there on administrative bail because she dey take care of pikin. And they come look say Oga Abamoro and the other man, Oga FO, say make they just go Kuje prison, go collect one room inside there. This one a very big lesson to Nigerians. Say irrespective of the position where you dey, nobody dey above the law. Everybody dey subject to the law. And the time when the music begin to play, if you do wetin no good, you go dance the dance.
Yeah, so if you do wetin dey very good, wetin you go dance the dance. And if you also do it in no day right, maybe under different beat reading they will give you, and the reading way Oga Moro they face right now onto say waiting play at under in reign as Minister of Interior, where we say a lot of people die under say they won't do it, and they won't employ the services of over I think about 4,000 vacancies where they say they get for immigration data where they won't employ. But in the end, we can't see waiting play out. But the whole thing we make this thing, they somehow very fun now. The fact say, okay, under this minister, at least, if now in a civilized society, or rather in a rather developed society, ours is still a developing society. In a rather developed society, at least you could don't see cases of say the person not going to even need to waste time. You could all resign straight up. Once you resign, you go to face the case for court. But in this case, the set up committee. The committee investigate finish. Result of the committee, we know here. As the matter take happen, we know here. Okay, question the minister. We don't know what the outcome be. In the end, they just like say everything just play drama, like say they do hide and seek kind of drama with Nigerians. In the end, until that administration of Oga Jonah can't end. Okay, I can't ask myself, say, waiting the life of the ordinary Nigerian what to our government? Now be the question. Waiting the life of our Nigerians, waiting the life of just a single Nigerian what to the life of our government? You understand? Now, a very big question, because if we go lose 20 future, that is 20, that's how we take put on 20 prospective Nigerians, will be say, over 20 prospective Nigerians, will be say, their future will be a very blossom future in the future. You can't do it, you can't shorten their life. Also say, they try put up, fix one kind of recruitment way, we don't even know whether that's true or not. And the 20 people can't die. Come on. We know the kind of drama, the kind of dance where these people supposed to dance. And I want to say this dance where Oga Moro don't start, make we see the outcome. Make me say we see sincere outcome from him. Not be done because they see the same kind of some drama we don't they play out say
after him dance finish, the thing will come down. Say your leg go relax.
Go let your leg rest. After you go continue the dance. That after where you go continue the dance. No, if you not come again.
Very, very
so
true.
At least it's a good step. So at least they don't revisit this issue. Make we see how far this issue.
Very, very true. And it go good make we emphasize on some of these the high points for this particular case, and then make we just use sound warning. Not be say we'll know your because
no. You need to sound the warning.
Sound warning
because the same way me they sound that warning to you. Say you at least sometimes make you behave yourself. The way we they take relate issue, you and me trying to pursue issues, and I'm sure say at least we identify issues and present it to Nigerians. The same way we will take at least sound that warning to people where they
but you know say that person when they under pressure, now in they sound warning because you know say for here the thing they hurt you well for body.
No.
Just leave it like that.
Under pressure, just go ahead and sound the warning.
Don't leave it like that. Because if I start with you this 1st of March now, your body go tell you. If I start with you this 1st of March, based on plenty things that happen for this country.
Based on plenty things that happen for this country. Do I want to talk about now? Where it happened? Under whose administration it happened?
They don't set up committee. They don't set up committee.
Give that committee misery. What did the committee do?
Committee not go doing work.
Okay. Tell me the results of the committee.
Thank you very much.
Tell me the result of the committee.
Nkubi, answer my question. They set up committee or they don't set up committee?
Chukudi.
No. They set up committee or they don't set up committee?
What the whole essence of setting up a committee?
Thank you very much. The whole essence of setting up a committee in the first place, that to show say you take that matter very, very serious. And why do they pay your picking school fees? Why do they pay your picking school fees? Why do they pay your picking school fees?
We see the seriousness of this matter.
Thank you very much.
Indeed, we see.
He shows say some people.
He still did the administration.
He shows say some people.
He was still a minister till that administration end. We don't see the result.
They no set up committee.
Now the committee.
What did the committee find? The one where National Assembly set up. What did they find? APC people know the National Assembly. No, answer the question.
As long as this matter happened under the past administration, we could not talk again.
Thank you very much.
We know what the play out.
The first scarcity when they happen under this administration, we know what they play out.
As if we know witness.
The one bag of pure when they sell 150 for this administration, we know what they play out. Dollar, rising dollar for this administration.
You know we have a credible leader.
We say
under the leadership of the president.
The 5,000 when they promise us when they don't want to pay again, we know what they they play out. Should we begin to open everything? No, with the dispute of Abamoro and the fact that people when they come and supposed to be responsible and accountable, you don't begin to go back. They don't set up committee. They don't set up committee.
Everything will they take on step by step.
Step by step.
As we don't bring back the issue of Oga Abamoro right
10
now.
months, step by step.
Now the same step we will take.
Step by
step.
step.
Revisit all these issues. They address them.
Step by step.
At least.
Dollar.
Whoever will come to you say they will bring back this issue.
Step by step.
Whoever will come to you say they will bring back this issue.
Boko Haram, step by step.
They don't bring them back. Let us see the end.
Step by step. Everything step by step.
Chukwu girls, when it happen?
Who talk say they go release them after many days?
You don't do you, Chukwu.
Oh, you don't do me now. You don't do me now. You don't hide.
Sensitive issues.
We dey bring issue about accountability and responsibility in government. You dey go back. You dey blame. You blame something wey happen.
Talk for one. You what do you mean? You talk for one. Me I even know say me I know what the word wey you want drop. Not be say you don't dey stutter here. They stutter as if they give you a crutch up. Talk.
You are insulting my personality.
No, I'm not insulting your personality.
That is.
Why would I insult your personality?
That is argumentum ad misericordium.
Story.
And argumentum ad hominem.
Story. Akoko. Story.
More face this particular issue.
Oh, you know, in the man say you want.
No be the issue I want face when you wait.
No be the same issue they try to relate. Wait, can't deviate.
Okay, more face the issue now. Now, better. First and foremost, we need to break this one down. Now, from the investigation when they don't conduct, they don't see say that particular recruitment exercise wey happen for 2014 say they no capture am inside the budget. Now budget na the way when we say you don decide say you wan spend money, how you go about spending money wey belong to all of us for inside this country if na national budget. Now something wey they no capture inside budget, you come talk say you wan still go ahead with the exercise. That one you go need approval.
It is a clear indication say monkey hand dey inside.
Thank you very much.
Chicken no. It was just a deliberate attempt to say you want defraud people. Because for you to even say make them pay 1,000 naira in the first place, about how many people? Over 600,000 people. Entering into about 700 million. But we not even talk this matter. We got Oga Kenneth. Oga Kenneth, they call us from Isolo. Good morning, Oga Kenneth. I beg Chukman for this matter.
Good morning, Chukudi and Kubi.
Good morning.
Good Oga Kenneth.
Well done.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
I enjoyed this topic of the day.
Thank you very much, sir.
I'm calling on behalf of the National Association of Unemployed Graduates.
National Association of Unemployed Youths.
Graduates.
Oh, National Association of Unemployed Graduates.
Because I noticed most of our members bought the form then because it was online.
Okay.
Took the stress of going to the cafe, bought time, registered, did everything. At the end of the day, that Saturday, they went to this stadium in Lagos. Even pregnant men, they were there. I saw everything myself. The place was overcrowded. There was no question paper. Do you understand me? They didn't print any question papers. From the money that was paid, there was no question papers. There was no answer script. There was nothing outside it. People were just sitting down waiting. After all this press, there was pandemonium in that scene. There were some people that were climbing on top. They were walking on top people. There was no police. There was not enough police to even channel the security of that place. The thing was just chaos. It was not like a ministry in the federal government ran any recruitment exercise. It was like one ordinary company that just tried to start up. You understand? So this country is outsidely more than that level of recruitment. So for that guy should be sentenced to prison and not even tried. He shouldn't be tried. He should be sentenced directly because that's an offense. Or else he should bring out that money that was recovered from that thing.
Oga Kenneth.
Yes.
What thing we go like make you do be say at the end of the program make you call back, use your number for us so that we go contact you.
Okay.
Thank you very much for that important
Kenneth.
contribution. We don't get person when we say he experience am, no be just say he see am. He know people when we say they feel am, and he also be part of this particular exercise. This one has strong indications say for this our country, you get plenty things when we say we dey deal with unemployment. Now one of them, and if we want try find lasting solution to the problem of unemployment, even if not to fit manage am over the next 5 years, 10 years, we supposed to do wetin dey right. Based on the talk when I been dey talk before, I been talk say they no capture that particular exercise inside the 2014 budget. And if you know they inside the 2014 budget, it means say if you want do am, you go need money. Now why they come talk say okay, well, maybe these people will pay 1,000 naira. People when they find work, you tell them say when they pay 1,000 naira. And from the investigation when they don't collect, they don't see say they don't get approval from the people who supposed to approve. Say okay, oh, collect this 1,000 naira. Meaning say that money when they collect, the people who supposed know as the money take the enter, they don't know.
They don't know.
Therefore, we don't go know how they will take spend that money. Now how you go take conduct recruitment exercise of I go speak English, national proportion across the 36 states of Nigeria and the Federal Capital Territory. You can't get a situation where we say over 600,000 Nigerians, when they find work for something when they over a little over 4,000, you can't gather them for different places. No organization, no logistics, no planning. It just be like say they just say make we do something when we say
make we do a wishy-washy kind of level.
We go feel even they go campaign, they use and sing say we organize something, we do this, we do that, and at the end of the day, over 20 Nigerians die. What is the value when they put on Nigerian life? Over 20 Nigerians die. We can't set up committee to look into this issue. Committee can't do this. Committee can't do that one. Committee, he finish that particular administration. He finish as
follow finish
for Korea, he get one particular unfortunate incident where happen.
The ship capsizing.
The person won't get the ship. He run so they commit suicide.
The prime minister.
He resigned.
This one say for just say about 300 something people died for that issue. The prime minister, that is the number one citizen of the country, resigned.
He resigned.
The person where do this thing, where
to the seller.
The seller do this thing, resign. Or they even capture and send that to jail. Make we not even talk for that. But in our own case, it is rather a different ballgame.
Exactly.
We got Vincent. Vincent, they call us from Ogba. Good morning, Vincent.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Okubi and Mr. Akikubi.
We agree to your Vincent from Ogba.
Hello, good morning, Mr.
They hear you. Continue.
I've been watching your program for long and I'm enjoying your program.
Thank you very much.
I think by really doing a great work. You see, concerning this immigration stuff, I want to let you guys know that Nigeria is a country that is full of lot of dubious acts that we don't know about. You see, I want to this immigration issue, this immigration stuff. It was because it was restricted. Because for a long time, all these armed forces, they always have a tax, amount for the treatment, 5 and above. The immigration one was restricted. That was why many people apply, and that was why the result was to this situation. I want to say by this country, there should be a recruitment, by there should be no more recruitment with what any side affects it. If not, things are not going to work very well in this country.
Very true.
Long before, right from 2009 to date, that's what I have to see. They are recruiting with amount not less than 2.5. And it was because the one of immigration was that was how many people were speaking to it. And I just think it was good. I wanted to flood them out.
Very true.
We want to expose them with all this here.
Oga Vincent, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't already talk and say if we do things when we say we find work, when we promote ethnic sentiment or say tribalism for inside that particular issue. Madam Patience, thank you very much for your patience on top of our telephone line. Good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Toby.
Good morning, Madam Patience.
Good morning, Toby.
We agree to you, Madam Patience.
And I say the thing what happened that time. You see, this Nigeria don't rotate. Not only immigration. No. If you see what is happening, before they go recruit somebody, you go pity Nigeria. When they talk about 1,000, do you know that all of them wear uniform?
Yes,
you ask them to buy canvas,
exactly.
White and white.
I see that
most of them spend more than 5,000 naira. They are talking about 1,000. The problem where this man costs for Nigeria is so much. How you go ask people to come for recruitment? Why you go recruit only 5,000? Can't say what happened that day. Many people died. And the president of that time asked this man to those people where they are people that make him employ them. Up to today, no employ anybody. Now go to the man usually resign. They don't care about the Nigerian people. What they care is when they enter their pockets. You see? So the thing paying everybody, including me. So the thing, anything the government go do, make this money come out, make them do them. So not only immigration, make them go to army. I know some friends where they pay 60,000. Let them go for your what did they call them? Custom.
Customs.
Everything and everything's getting rotten every day. So
Madam
this
Patience.
corruption of the thing is getting too much.
Madam Patience, thank you very much for your important contribution. As our government don't promise say they go fight corruption come up for our society, small, no matter who take do am, we go give them the support to ensure say Nigeria na country where we say everybody go know say yes, so I get chance just like you get chance. No be about you, where you come from, or the party where you dey support. Oga Samali, they call us all the way from Ojodu. Oga Samali, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning,
How
Samali.
are you?
Good morning.
Sir.
I think this Abamoro issue, at the initial stage when he was invited, I have a second thought about it because I thought it seems everybody who served in Jonathan government a bit pick up here and there. Because this is a different ball game altogether. It has nothing to do with the arms deal issue. The commotion that occurred that day is as a result of unemployment in this country. I don't think the Interior Minister would have gathered thousands of people at the stadium and said they should die. They are all Nigerians.
But don't you
You
think?
know what I'm saying?
Yes, we understand. But
Yes,
don't
I'm
you
listening
think?
to you.
Yeah, we dey hear you. Continue.
Okay, Samali.
I'm hearing you.
In a case where we say this particular matter, they no capture them for budget for the 2014 budget, and they can't go ahead and say okay, say make them go ahead with the exercise. Anything come out from the exercise, it not be the responsibility of the minister to bear the consequences.
Yes, I agree. He was on speak at that time. My brother, this immigration own is not. It's just a tip of the iceberg. Recruitment into the army, the navy, the air force, and other paramilitary services. You need to go there and see what is happening.
Okay,
In the
Samali.
70s, when I applied to be a student at Nigeria military school, it was in my house. I wrote, they sent me the form, I went for the interview. Why I did not go was because I discovered that then Nigeria Army have been so, the army have been so politicized. That's why I did not go. But these days,
Oga Samali, thank you very much for your important contribution. Because of say we don't get plenty time and we need to rush enter inside small break. We appreciate your contribution. Thank you very much. We go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with responsibility and accountability, especially for inside government. With the rider say, Moro goes to Kuje, no go anywhere. Now still ask Ide Hot. Will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry the